Greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you're tuning in from. My name is Louis, and I'm the specialist with BoSTEM, and I am so excited that you have decided to volunteer with us. Thank you so much for considering BoSTEM, and please continue listening to learn more about how to be effective when volunteering and working with students. What is BoSTEM? BoSTEM is an initiative at United Way of Massachusetts Bay in Merrimack Valley that is under the bucket of educational success. We work to recognize community supports with career readiness opportunities. And seeing that BoSTEM is a hub for STEM industries or STEM companies, we have a mission of uniting all of the diverse communities within Greater Boston to try to provide those career inspiring and culturally responsive STEM opportunities for all of the underrepresented learners in Boston. How do we do this? Well, BoSTEM in action happens in two ways. We have in-person opportunities and virtual opportunities. Our in-person opportunities look like field trips and school visits. Field trips are an opportunity for students from out-of-school time programs or other STEM-focused learning experiences to visit a STEM company. They get to see firsthand what it's like to be in a STEM company, the different careers available, and get to see STEM professionals at work in real time. We provide an opportunity for STEM professionals to visit students as well. This is when school visits become a highlight for volunteers. They get to leave their STEM company for a period of time and get to visit students at their STEM program or their school to work with them on a project, some homework, or maybe a learning experience that spanned multiple units. Another in-person opportunity focuses on the educator's experience. Recognizing that teachers play an important role in STEM learning, we have created teacher externships. This is similar to field trips, but think about it for adults. Teacher externships are an opportunity where teachers can work with different STEM companies to understand the skills that are needed for various careers within those STEM companies. If you're curious to learn more, please feel free to check out our website at bostem.org. Our virtual opportunities are a reaction to the pandemic. As we know, we were all stuck in quarantine during 2019, 2020, and maybe a little bit of 2021. So that gave birth to our creative virtual opportunities called STEM Chats, STEM Bites, and Critical Conversations. These are essentially bite-sized opportunities for volunteers to talk about what it was like to go from education to the workforce. Or if you got a certificate or have a untraditional path into a STEM career or a STEM industry, these are great opportunities to share those experiences with students and have them recorded. So as you can see, volunteering with BoSTEM is pretty much our secret sauce. It's what helps keep our mission moving forward. And we just want you as a volunteer to know that the BoSTEM team is here to support you in every single way, from logistics to training, like this session, and even planning for your opportunity or visit. The BoSTEM team is here to help you feel confident and prepared to engage with young learners. We try to keep our opportunities simple, yet fun for all involved. But if you find that there's any feedback that you can share with us, please consider sharing that with us. We welcome all kinds of feedback.